Hello viewers, Flipkart Gold Sale will start at midnight of 11th July for the Plus members and on 12th July for regular customers. Many users are asking me whether they will get discounts on smartphones or not. The answer is yes, definitely there will be discounts on many smartphones. If you are planning to buy smartphones under Rs 20,000, in that case you can consider buying Realme P3 smartphone or Vivo T4 Lite, Realme P3X, Realme 14X, Vivo T4X, CMF Phone 2 Pro, Oppo 13X and Oppo K13. Recently I have tested smartphones like Vivo T4X and Realme P3, Realme 14X, and these smartphones actually are performing very good. If you are a lover of Samsung smartphone, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy A35 5G smartphone under 20,000 rupees. Next, if you have a budget of 20 to 30,000 rupees, in that case you can buy many smartphones from Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, etc. But you must remember one thing, that Big Billion Days sale will offer more discounts on all products like tablets, smartphones and many other gadgets. So if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, it will be best for you to get the best discounts on Big Billion Days sale that will occur in the month of September 2025. And if you have urgency, in that case you can consider buying smartphone in this Gold sale. Otherwise there will be another sale in the month of August, that will be Independence Day sale on both Flipkart as well as on Amazon.in. Next, if you are planning to buy any iPhone, in that case you can consider buying iPhone 15, but that will be on the higher side, so it will be best if you wait till Big Billion Days sale to buy any iPhones. In the coming days I will be able to tell you more specifically about the deals on smartphones, so stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become little bit of informative to you, so hit the like button if you have liked this video. Also share this video and subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.